I'm very excited to introduce Mr. Pankaj Agrawal, the CEO of KC Overseas, and whose head office is in Nagpur. They are the pioneers in international education in India. They represent so many countries. तो आज हमें उनसे मौका मिला है, अमृतसर में इनका पार्टनर्स कनक्लेव है मिलने का. तो हम इनसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे about the latest trends in overseas education. So, Pankaj, thank you so much for giving us the time.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you for hosting
Pankaj,
me.
what is the scenario right now? Because there's a lot of panic in people's mind. Students के mind में काफ़ी panic है.
Right.
तो what should a student do now after मतलब 12वीं करने के बाद बच्चा क्या सोचे अब?
So I think there is no need to panic as such. We have seen such type of ups and downs in student recruitment industry earlier also. In 2011 we saw when post-study work visa in UK went down. So I think students should need to more focus on getting a good IELTS score, as well as they should really look after for studying. That is more important.
Right.
Because now the time has come where they should go study and get a skilled employment rather than working as into lower jobs, lower menial jobs. So they should not panic. I think from spring 26 onwards it should improve.
Right.
Yeah.
Now there's a lot of confusion about the countries in students' minds.
Yeah.
पहले क्या था, सारे लोग कनाडा जाते थे.
Correct.
कनाडा बंद हुआ तो यूके की तरफ बढ़े.
Correct.
फिर यूएसए का आपने देखा क्या हाल हुआ.
Correct.
तो व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स कि वो कौन सी कंट्री चूज करें और वो कैसे कंट्री चूज करें?
I think most of the students from this region ये लोग चाहते हैं कि हम लोग जाएं वहाँ पढ़ें and we get an opportunity to settle. So currently I think Australia can be a good option. Secondly, UK can be another good option. Even students are opting for Dubai as well.
Right.
Some countries in Europe are also doing well, particularly Ireland, France and Germany. But the main point is that the students' intention should be to study.
Yeah.
So they have to go with that mindset.
Right.
Yeah.
Now, Pankaj, there was a scenario when all types of students used to go.
Yeah.
As you just said, कि now intention should be very clear.
Yeah.
जो लोग studies में नहीं interested, वो पहले जा चुके हैं, but अब उनके लिए जाना मुश्किल होगा.
Yeah.
तो would you suggest something to those students also, because Punjab, as you know, the North India, students की intentions तो है पढ़ने की, लेकिन वो qualify नहीं कर पाते. तो anything which you would like to suggest to the students?
No, I will strongly say that instead of taking shortcuts, they should prepare well before going from here, so that in the long run their career is good, their life is good, they get into good employment. So they should prepare well for the English proficiency examinations, as well they should clear their +2 with good grades and get into a good decent institution where their intention is to study.
Okay. एक क्वेश्चन जो बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स के माइंड में है कि कनाडा कब खुलेगा. कनाडा के बारे में एवरीबडी इज वेटिंग कि कनाडा खुल जाए. देखो इलेक्शंस हैं.
Correct.
लोग बोल रहे हैं वहाँ पे सरकार चेंज होगी तो और ज़्यादा टफ होगा. अगर मिस्टर ट्रूडो की सरकार वापस आएगी तो ईजी होगा. तो आपका क्या एनालिसिस है कि व्हेन डू यू थिंक Canada will open?
So as you know, the elections are on 28th of this month only. My personal anticipation is that when the new government comes, whether it comes the old government or whether the new government comes, there will be positive direction and it will be favoring the international students, because we have seen from last 18 to 24 months where large number of students had gone. So now it is getting stabilized. So Canada will open, but not the way it had opened up earlier in a big way, but slow and steady will go on.
Right.
And students will be able to go, as well as consultants will be able to send students to Canada.
Right. एक क्वेश्चन ऑन शोर स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, जो स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी वहाँ पर हैं इस समय, जो पढ़ रहे हैं, जो जॉब्स कर रहे हैं, हाउ आर दे फीलिंग, हाउ आर दे लिविंग, आर दे गेटिंग द जॉब्स, आर दे कंफर्टेबल?
So it's not that easy. Students have to give interviews, they have to give multiple interviews, but students who have some skills, who have good in academics in the past, they are getting jobs.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is not everyone is getting a job, but yes, selected students are getting. That is what the feedback is coming.
Right. I won't take much time. I'll just ask two questions to you.
Okay.
The first question is about USA and second would be about Dubai.
Okay.
USA में जो सक्सेस रेट नॉर्थ इंडिया का कम रहा है.
Correct.
जैन सेशन में.
Correct.
According to my research analysis, it was hardly 10 to 15% of the students who got their visas.
Yeah.
Would you suggest something to them कि केसी के पास ऐसा क्या है कि वो उन केसी का रिजल्ट इतना अच्छा क्यों है?
इसलिए रहा है कि स्टूडेंट्स हम लोग पूरे इंडिया से रिक्रूट कर रहे हैं, उसमें नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया भी है, साउथ ऑफ इंडिया भी एंड वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया, जहाँ से एक्सेप्ट आंध्र प्रदेश तेलंगाना द रिजल्ट्स हैव बीन मच बेटर. सो आई विल रिकमेंड अगेन कि अगर स्टूडेंट्स ये देखें कि उनका इंटरेस्ट क्या है, कौन से करियर में इंटरेस्ट है, विच कोर्स दे वांट टू डू, एंड इफ़ दे डू अ लिटिल रिसर्च and if their communication, they make their communication strong, I think then cracking the visa will be quite easier.
So do you have a specialized team who trains students for interview
we help
skills?
the students in their mock interviews.
Okay.
We guide them, but ultimately it's the student who has to prepare.
कुछ ऐसा भी है कि आप कुछ एक्स वीज़ा ऑफिसर्स के टच में हो जो स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प करते हो इन टर्म्स ऑफ गिविंग देम द रियल एनवायरनमेंट इन इंटरव्यू स्किल्स?
No, not ex-visa officers, but the feedback that we are getting from our own students, we are able to guide the students like what they need to focus, what courses they should select, and we give them the confidence and the skills what are required to crack the interview. But yes, ultimately it's the student who has to do it.
Right. Last question would be about Dubai, because that's a very interesting name you took.
Yeah.
We all think and we all know that Dubai is the world's favorite place when it comes to tourism.
Correct.
So what about study in Dubai? Why study in Dubai and how?
Yeah, so off late we have seen a good interest of students, Indian students particularly for Dubai. One is that as you know, there is a knowledge city in Dubai, and like many universities from US, UK and Australia have set up their campuses there, and I think it is a value for money. So at lesser cost you are able to get the same education, and then you open up the doors, opportunity for transferring to either UK or Australia as well, so long as you meet all the conditions of their visa. As well as there are institutions, top institutions like University of Birmingham of UK, a Russell Group University, which is giving 40% scholarship to Indian students. So I think it's a good value for money.
So that's something very interesting, and hopefully in future you'll like to give us the time for a longer interview and a longer podcast with Dubai and different countries.
Thank you. My
so
pleasure.
we had Mr. Pankaj Agarwal. He's a renowned famous educationist. So very glad that you took time to give us the interview and tell us about what students should do after they complete their academics in this coming year.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.